आज वो सेंड नहीं हुई।
Okay.
चलो
Before we make this file
Yeah.
was original.
Yeah.
Now we make this file for edit.
Edit.
Edit file. Edit file. Save. Same.
Same
Time 25.
0.25.
Okay. New page coming. After
grid model.
no grid model. After that, click Norbit 8.
Yes.
File set
Norbit 8.
Norbit 8. Just import.
Now
Our
survey data.
Our
now
survey
come.
data now come. See.
From real-time monitor to here.
Yes.
transfer.
Right. Okay. Now we can check where is the have problem. Something need editing. Also this extra data if I have, so need to like this delete the extra data. No need data.
This is extra data.
Yes.
No need. Yes.
No need, so need to cut.
Okay, no need to show engineer.
Yes, right. Okay. After that, now this is data for the D1. So just click difference, make color table
Color table. This one.
for the D1.
Yeah.
D1 color table, and also here put
3D
the design 3D model for D1.
Yes.
Same design model, compare with the grid model, apply.
Then now color table. We understand cut fill where.
Our green area is okay.
Okay.
Our blue area is more down.
Yes.
Blue area need filling.
Filling.
Green okay. Red need cutting.
Need cutting.
Okay. If you zoom inside all the value,
Elevation
each
value.
25 centi coming.
Yes.
Each 25 centi, 25 coming.
Elevation.
Here almost 1.16 meter need to fill. Okay, this green area is our, because our tolerance is minus 60. Now coming minus 22 is inside tolerance. Okay. This plus tolerance is 0. So plus 4 centi need to cutting.
So this one is you
Like that.
compared the thickness method.
No, this compare with the design.
Design. How
Yes.
you compared with the design elevation? Because you get just a plan only, na?
Yes.
Uh,
I already have this design. Design already have inside
3D model.
inside 3D
This
model.
is 3D model.
3D model.
We have to we have to prepare this.
Yeah. Before that, we need to prepare.
Yes.
If you need design for the slope, for the top, anything, so you just call to your manager. Give me 3D model. Give me design model.
So from the plan,
Yeah.
we will take some coordinate and make design elevation.
Yes.
Keeping that
Yes.
one, we will make a 3D polygon
3D.
elevation.
Yes.
Then we have to prepare.
Yes.
This 3D model you have already.
Yes, already have. I show you. Okay. 3D model D1. Okay. Where see PDS going? Where inside the PDS have this upside 3D model. Click 3D model. Here have D1 design. D1 offshore. See
3D models.
D1 offshore. This one. D1 offshore.